Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing of Feelunique's beauty box, the beauty subscription box. And this is what it looks like. This is how it arrives in the post with my address on the top there. So if you're new to this subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what I chose, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The Feelunique subscription beauty box used to be known as the beauty kit. If you weren't aware, Feelunique do the most amazing sample service called Pick and Mix. Then they brought out the beauty kit, which had a similar concept, but more luxury sizes, and it costs a little bit more. Then, I believe it was last year, I think it was last year, they brought out a subscription. So, gone with the beauty kit, they brought out a subscription. You are able to have a one-off box, which will cost you £13.95, and that includes shipping, or you're able to take out a subscription for 3, 6 or 12 months. If you opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, then the cost comes down. This subscription is a little bit different to most other boxes out there, as in you get to choose the products that you want to put inside. So every month you get to choose 5 beauty treats. There's no particular date that they add products onto the website, but it's worth taking a look now and again to see what is available, especially if you do have a one-off box, or if you want to try it first to see what it's like, then yeah, it's definitely worth taking a look. There was recently an offer for the subscription. If it's still running, or if I can find any other offers, I'll pop it down below in my description. But all links to the subscription, plus the Pick and Mix sample service, and any offers Feelunique have on their website, including a code that they kind of give me every month, which is BeautyGeek FUA, which entitle you to receive 15% off. Not on the subscription though, but you're welcome to use it if you want to. Then you'll find all that down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below in the description. But let's get on to showing you what I chose. So in here we just get leaflets of money off coupons and things like that, and these are my products. Okay, starting off with what looks like a full-size Botanical cream deodorant by Aurelia London. It does, it looks a full-size one. I'll have to have a look on their website. This is aluminium free cream to powder deodorant with kaolin, peppermint and tea tree, and there's 50 grams here. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells gorgeous, yeah. Oh, it smells lovely. Yeah, it does smell really nice. The only problem is, can you see? I've already got it on my nail. That's the only problem when it comes to deodorants in jars like this. I love natural deodorants, absolutely love them, but I've got nails. I've got long nails. It's fine though, it is fine. I've got a little spatula that I could use. Can I tell you anything about it? It just says here, apply a fingertip size amount onto clean skin, gently rub it into your whole underarm area and watch as it turns into powder. Our Botanical cream deodorant is a natural aluminium free deodorant that really works. It sounds gorgeous, and Aurelia is a beautiful brand. I'm really chuffed to that. I'm really chuffed. Next up, I got a neon. Oh, I love neon. This is a Perfect Night's Sleep Magnesium Body Butter, English Lavender, Sweet Basil and Jasmine, and there's 30 mils here. Now I've already got 1 or 2 of these, but I really like it. So yeah, I had to stock up on it again. Then I've got 2 hair care products. This is Bedhead by TG, Mini Masterpiece, Massive Shine Hairspray, and we've got 60 grams here. So a nice little size to take away or keep in a handbag, or if I'm going out for the night, or yeah, I just thought that might be really nice to keep for occasions like that then. I haven't tried it before, so I don't know what it's like. Maybe I should have a try first before like taking it out with me or something. This is a Salty Not Sorry, a Epic Texturizing Salt Spray for undone looks. And you apply on wet hair and air dry, and there's 100 mils here. Really great sizes, considering that they're supposed to be samples or travel sizes or minis. But yeah, no, I'm really chuffed to them. And then lastly, I couldn't resist. I've already got one. It's the Paul and Joe primer that I had a couple of months ago. I can't resist it. I think it's really lovely. It's really lovely. It's in the shade O2, which I believe is Honey, I think it is, and it's a protecting foundation primer, and it has SPF in it as well. look at the beautiful packaging. If you haven't already seen this, it's so, so lovely. Look at it. So I got another one. I got another one, so I'm going to put that away. But I think this might be my go-to, like summer months. It's more like a BB cream. It sort of evens out my skin tone. It gives a slight coverage to my face, not much, but then it does, you know, it's got SPF 50 in it. It feels lovely on the skin. Because of the colour, it's a little bit darker than my skin tone, but because it's not a foundation, it doesn't look too fake then, if you know what I mean. I can blend it in nicely and it looks alright. It just looks like I've got a glow. So yeah, I got another one. I do really like it. So there you go. So those are all the items that I chose for this month's Feelunique beauty box. I'll just gather them all up. So the cost of the box is £13.95 and it's way above that. I know this primer is around £28 as it is. I'm guessing this Aurelia deodorant is full size as well. So yeah, really happy with what I chose this month. Really happy. But I'd love to know what you think of the subscription. Do you subscribe or do you just dip in and out? Just getting a one-off box now and again. What do you think of the products? Or are you watching this for the first time? I'd love to hear what you think, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.